Very good morning to one and all. My name is Ashok Kumar. Welcome to Ashok Consulting Services YouTube channel. So, in this session today, we are going to cover SAP basics. Okay. So, as part of SAP basics, what topics we are going to cover, what features we are going to cover, or what basics I'm going to cover. I'm just written down here and I'm just highlighting all these options here. Okay. So without any delay, let's get into the today session. Okay. So this one is SAP. I have already logged into SAP. So as soon as I log into SAP, the first screen, which is default screen, is displaying SAP Easy Access. So in title bar, it is displaying as SAP Easy Access. So before we are going to discuss about SAP Easy Access screen, first we'll try to understand what is SAP Easy Access screen and what is going to be worked in this particular screen and who is going to work in this particular screen. Okay, so first we'll try to understand what is SAP Easy Access screen. So SAP Easy Access screen will be used for creation of master data, transactional data, and also creation of or generating the reports. When I say master data, transactional data, and reports means SAP users or business users will be going to use this SAP Easy Access to create master data. Against master data, they are going to do some transactional or postings that is called as a data. So we can call it as transactional data. So once we business users posted any transactional data, and then they are going to generate the reports to show the so much of balance has been posted in the system. Okay, this is the importance of SAP Easy Access screen. I repeat, SAP Easy Access screen will be used by business users only. This screen will in real time. This one is important interview question. In real time, SAP Easy Access screen will be using by business users only or end users only. So there is one more screen called IMG screen, which is consultants are going to use the IMG screen, which is nothing but implementation guide. Okay, in implementation guide only, consultants are going to use for customization. Okay, and then let's get into today our agenda. Okay, first let's try to understand SAP Easy Access screen. In this screen, we are going to create master data, transactional data, and report generations. Okay, so master data means like we know, right? General master data, customer master data, vendor master data, likewise. So against the same way, we are going to do the postings. And then how to go to customization screen. I have already covered. There is one more screen called IMG screen. So to reach to IMG screen, there are two steps. One is menu path, another one is via transactional code. So when I say menu path, so first we'll try to understand how we can go to IMG screen. Okay, first we can see here SAP menu. In that we can see accounting and then financial accounting. And here we can see general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, right? Accounts payable, accounts payable. But so first now we will go to see how we can go to IMG screen. So when I said already, IMG screen is nothing but customizing. IMG screen is nothing but implementation guide. Okay. Double click on execute project. Here we have to click on reference IMG. When you click on reference IMG, system will display IMG screen. IMG screen is nothing but implementation guide. So all the consultants, not only SAP FICO consultant, each and every consultant is going to work in this IMG screen only. So actual customization according to the client requirement or business requirement, we are going to do the customization, all the customization related activities, all will be performed in this particular IMG screen only. Okay, this is the one way, which now I have covered one way. Now let's try to come the same screen in another way. Directly, I'm just entering transaction code. So what is the transaction code? SPRO. SPRO is a transaction code which will take us to SAP reference IMG. So when I click on this one, system directly picking me to display IMG screen. Okay, next, create new sessions. So guys, in SAP ECC server, we can able to create only 6 sessions. 6 sessions is nothing but 6 new windows. So for example, now this one is one window. In the same way, parallelly, we are going to create 6 only. When we are working on in ECC, we can able to create only 6 sessions. When it comes to S/4HANA, we can create more than 6. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, right? So we have created more than 6 windows, and we didn't get any error or a hard stop error saying that maximum sessions are ended, right? Since it is S/4HANA, S/4HANA has given option to create in number of multiple screens more than 6. Okay, where SAP ECC is not provided that option. Okay, this one is a one feature for us. Okay, then how to log off the system? How to log off the system? So friends, there are 2 ways to log off the system actually. So either we can log off by in the menu bar, we can see system, right? Once we click on the system, we can see in drop down that log off. When you click on log off, directly system will log off. Okay, there is one more way, that is nothing but directly enter /NEX. Okay, when you click on enter or when you click on this one, system will consider to proceed further. Okay, then when you click on enter, system by default it will go log off. Okay, yeah. So the process which I shown you earlier, that one is forceful log off. Okay, but I suggest you to click on system and do the click on system and do the log off. This one is a healthy process. Okay, so next topic is how to display transaction code. Okay, so how to display transaction code? For example, I'm going accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, and document entry. Here, I can't see the uh, transaction codes list of here. I can see only that JL account document and JL account for ledger group, general posting and all. But I can't see the transaction code to go quickly, right? So, for example, if I want to open this particular screen, I'll have to come via path and I have to enter this to come this particular screen. Okay, or otherwise there is one more way, that is nothing but transactional code. So here we don't know the transaction code. Then if we want to display the transaction code, there is one way, that is select extras, settings, display technical names. Once we select this checkbox, display technical names, all the transaction codes will be displayed prefixed to the particular description of the transaction code. Now we'll see whether it is displaying or not. Financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. See, now we can see FB50, FB50L, FB02. So when we want to open any screen, okay, there are two options. One is open the screen via path or enter the particular transaction code. Now we can see B50 is a transaction code. Directly I'll come here and I'll put slash OFB50. Okay. Directly this will appear here. Okay. Like that, we have to display the transaction code for each and everything. Okay. Now we'll go to SPRO. There we'll see how we can display the transaction codes. Okay. Dash SPRO is a transaction code. Dash OSPRO. Okay. This is IMG screen as I mentioned. So here, if you want to see the example, I'll open here. Ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, line item. So whatever additional fields we are seeing here, okay, this one is transaction codes for in the IMG screens. Okay, without delay, let's get into another session. So quick cut and paste option. Quick cut and paste option. Because here, when you click on options, we can see quick cut and paste option. So what is the use of quick cut and paste option is that, so for example, okay, I want to copy, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, some random I mentioned here. Okay, some digits I have mentioned in the reference field. The same I wanted to mention in header text also. In that case, generally what we do, if I want to mention the same thing, we'll just try to enter as it is, right? So here, to avoid manual work, okay, this SAP has provided one option that quick cut and paste. So now let's try it out once. Okay, I want to copy this. I'm not copying anything, just I'm scrolling, then I'm paste. That's it. I didn't enter manually. System is copy and pasting. Okay, this is the one feature which we have regularly. And then how to create folders or favorite. Now go to easy access screen. Okay, in the screen we'll see how we can able to add folders in favorites. Okay, let's just click on favorites, right click on that. We can see insert transaction. Insert transaction. Okay, here SAP is given option for us to give any transaction code, so that once we double click on that, it will take us to the particular transaction code. Okay. For example, I am giving F dash dash 02, or we have seen that, right? FB50. FB50 is a transaction code. I just entered. So this particular FB50 screen, I have added it as a favorite Sunday. So once we added it as a favorite, simply we'll just double click on it and it will take from here. Okay. So I have added FB50, and then I have realized that I don't want to use this screen repeatedly. Let me remove this one. So how we have to remove this particular transaction from the favorites? How? Because how means just select this one and delete favorites. So it will go. Next session is how to read the help document. Okay. How to read the help document. Okay, let's go to FB50. So here, help document, how we'll understand means, just click here. For example, a reference, right? So in the reference field, what is the use of reference field here? When we don't know the field use of this particular field, or when we want to understand the use of this particular reference field, by the time we just click here, put the cursor here, and click on help, or just put cursor here. In the keypad you can see F1 option. Okay, if you click F1 option, system will show what is the use of this particular reference field. Our second option is just put the cursor here and click on help button. System will display what is the reference document number and type, and its definition, use, procedure, everything it will display. And there is one more option, is that important point, is that technical information. Okay, when you click on this technical information, system will display the table name. So this was field name. Okay, XBLNR is a field name of a reference field. Okay, in real time, as a consultant, we should know all the field names and along and table names, right? So we should know the field name. XBL reference field is nothing but invoice number only. Invoice number we are going to enter here. So field name is XBLNR. In this way, we are going to check the field names. Next. Okay. That's it for today, friends. So as I mentioned beginning of this session, so interview questions are like, what is who is going to work in what? Like in ECC, SAP Easy Access Screen and IMG Access Screen. What is the difference between SAP Easy Access and IMG Screen? Okay, there are two people who is going to use SAP. Okay, number one, business users or business end user. Okay, both are same. Don't confuse, friends. Business users or end users, both are same only. So business users or end users are going to use this SAP Easy Access Screen to create master data. On top of master data, or with using of master data, users are going to do their day-to-day activities. Day-to-day activities is nothing but creation of master data or transactional data and reports. That is the use. And other persons, like other persons are like consultants. Okay, consultants won't use this SAP Easy Access Screen in the real time, so they are going to use only IMG. IMG is nothing but customization screen. I'll show again. SPRO is a transaction code to display the customizing related screen. So in this one only, all the consultants, not only SAP FI consultant, not only CO consultant, not only REX consultant, not only MM consultant, SD consultant, every consultant need to work in this particular screen only. So in this particular screen, we are going to do the actual configuration of the for that business requirement. So that's it for today, friends. I hope basics all all basics have been covered and clarified the same. So in tomorrow I will be coming up with some other basics along with sessions. So please do watch and do not forget to subscribe for recent or upcoming up videos so that you will get notification from my side. And also please support giving some likes and thumbs up or putting some comments. Thank you. Thank you for today.